Imagine earning up to $900 daily just by spending 2 hours a day. Our community support program is here to turn your financial dreams into reality. With our detailed webinars and step-by-step income guide, you'll have everything you need to build multiple income streams. Think about it: more time freedom, more money, and zero hassle. Our strategies are fully automated, so you won't need to find customers or bother friends and family. And the best part? You get 100% profit straight into your bank account. No more 9-to-5 grind. Spend more time doing what you love while achieving financial independence. Our community is here to support you every step of the way. Ready to start this exciting journey? Visit https://www.makedailyincome.com/ and take the first step towards your new life today. Remember, success is just a click away.